Got the new xo1.
Yee.
Can't wait to open it up and see what it's about. Just picked it up today. Got the batteries charging. Can't wait tomorrow to run it. Not gonna try to do 100 right away, but I'm gonna unlock it and everything, but I'm gonna keep it under 100 until I'm ready. Alright, let's get this open and I'll be right back. Alright, we got the top off. Just took the body clip out. Oh, we got the body. This is a big car. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. That look like that's the same size as the X-Max body. Just to give you an idea how big the lid is. It's supposed to be a 1/7 scale. Got the red. Let's take this off the plastic. Nothing like a fresh body. Fresh Traxxas body.
Cameraman.
That's a big body. Spoiler nice and strong. Cool body, y'all. It's huge. Alright, let's set that to the side. And let's pull the car out. Oh, I need some. I got my knife over here. They got it zip tied down. Film that. See how they got it, y'all? They did a good job packing this. Accessory bag. Owner's manual, quick start. Got the speed spoilers for the front. Bag of tools. We'll open that up. Speed gear. And there's the car. Wow. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get it out the box. I'm sure everybody didn't seen a lot of unboxings of this. We know this is gonna be the remote control over here. So they got it in a separate box. I think this is the only Traxxas vehicle that they pack like this. The rest of them don't come packed like this. They usually have a styrofoam, the remote being a brown box. It don't be completely sealed like this. This is cool. But I guess when you buy the high-end Traxxas models, they want to make you feel special. But I'll be back. Let's get this out the zip ties and I'll give y'all some footage of it with the lid on. This is a huge car. Wow. 1/7 scale ain't no joke. Show y'all how to look at the lid on. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, y'all, just want to show y'all my new toy. Gonna get some running footage tomorrow, hopefully, but I'll get some running footage of it up soon. I'll do both straight out the box, and once I get it set up to do 100, I'm gonna see if I can find a spot to attempt to do 100 or come close. Any last words, son?